Alright guys, what's up? So today, got another quick unboxing. I know I went off, bought a bunch of stuff, but so I got this from the Carhartt WIP website. I think it was $83 on sale. It was like $30 off or something like that. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to get it open and check it out. I think it's a pretty dope piece. So with that being said, we'll unbox it and I'll try it on and come back and give you guys a little bit of a review.
Yeah. Hey, these niggas must have thought I was a one-hit wonder or something. Hey, she laid on me like a futon. I ain't worried about that bitch, I got a new one. Stacking money, smoking gas, what do you want? Always been a real nigga, you a fool one. All these bitches wanna fuck me cause I'm up now. By the Sprite, I poured a lean up in my cup now. I was looking back, I got it out the mud, wow. You funny style, boy, you knowin' I'm a cash cow. I just wanna get the top, she can stay the night. I went and bought the babe, I ain't care about the price. They see we eating all we got, we can't take the slice. I learned from my life, I don't ever take advice. I was up with my niggas steady rolling dice. Why these bitches acting funny? Tell me, is you winning for the money? Ain't taking nothing from me, making sure my brother's never hungry. All about my carrots like a bunny, she wanted in her tummy. Mama told me wrap up like a mummy. Smoking grade A, I'm not no dummy. I just find it funny, friends always changing over money. 2016, I'm that motherfucking nigga you should worry about. I was riding through the 7, bro, told the Mac 11s, he'll squeeze it any second. I'm like, oh yeah. Tell them niggas back up off me, now they see my flow is cold, so I play them like it's hockey. They like, oh no. Good grades and bad habits, now my niggas living lavish. Money turned me to a savage, I don't give a fuck. And I need that new Mercedes, they look at me like I'm crazy, but I'm screaming, fuck you, pay me on my own shit. Yeah, I put this shit in motion, niggas hating cause I'm loafing. Better watch how you approach this, I am not the one to play with. Everybody on my dick cause I ain't on the same shit. I just had a different vision, y'all be on that lame shit. Shawty fucking with a winner, she just wanna smoke my drugs. I can't take her out for dinner, I just give her bomb D. She explode like TNT. If you ain't in my circle, nigga, you an enemy. 2016, I got a lot of goals. Hey, only 17 with a lot of hoes.
Alright, what's up? So I'm back. Hopefully the camera's set up fine. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. I will say there's one thing. So on the website, it kind of looked like this lettering was more of like a pink or like a hot pink or magenta. And it's definitely red. I'm not upset about that at all. I honestly probably prefer it being red. But I'm just saying, like, it kind of made it look like that, which is a little misleading. As far as the fit goes, sleeves, this is a large. I usually wear large, and usually I have problems with long sleeve shirts, but Carhartt WIP just like it was made for me. I don't know, that brand, they just took my dimensions and my super long wingspan, and that's what they used, because these sleeves are perfect. It's beautiful. I don't know, I love Carhartt WIP. But yeah, that being said, they have like really nice little like cotton endings with like a little elastic for the cuffs on the sleeves. And then the rest of it, other than like the collar, is a jersey material. So super breathable, lightweight, nice, like a little bit of shine on it. And then you got this Carhartt, crest right here. You got a lion and then a shield. Carhartt branding here, Carhartt branding there. And yeah, the rest you guys can see, but fit is pretty true to size, maybe just a tad bit oversized, so it's like kind of right on the border. But for me, this is like the absolute perfect fit. Also, I was surprised that it came with like kind of like a catalog or whatever, and then also it came with a Carhartt box logo sticker. So I've never actually ordered from Carhartt WIP. I usually just order through End Clothing, which has a super nice packaging system and setup and everything. You guys can check out some of my other Carhartt WIP unboxings to see that. But yeah, definitely super pleased with this purchase. I got it on sale. It was still pretty expensive, but jerseys are pretty expensive. So $83 for a streetwear jersey, not bad. And I'm definitely happy with this. And a little surprise came with that nice little brochure. Good coffee table material, and then also came with a nice Carhartt camo box logo. So definitely happy with this purchase. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment. I'll get back to you guys as quick as possible. It's usually like within an hour. But yeah, with that being said, leave a like if you like the video, comment, share, do whatever. Just happy to have you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.